What if I told you that the most powerful technology in human history didn't start with supercomputers, but with a single question? Can a machine think? Before AI wrote essays, drove cars, or talked like humans, it was nothing more than a wild dream, an idea so unbelievable that even scientists laughed at it. But a handful of strange, brilliant minds refused to stop imagining. They believed that if humans could learn, maybe machines could too. They didn't know it then, but they were about to create the technology that would change war, medicine, art, science, everything. This is the story of how humans invented AI, a journey powered by fear, genius, and a curiosity that refused to die. 1950s, the idea that started it all. Our story begins with one man, Alan Turing. In 1950, he asked a question no one had ever dared to ask: can machines think? His idea was seen as ridiculous, even dangerous. But Turing believed that if humans think through patterns, maybe machines could too. He created the foundation, the blueprint for what we now call AI. 1956, the birth of artificial intelligence. Then came a summer workshop at Dartmouth College. A handful of mathematicians and scientists gathered with one bold belief that human intelligence could be recreated in a machine. They called it artificial intelligence. They dreamed big. Machines that could talk, reason, even understand the world. But the computers of that time were slow, painfully slow. Their biggest challenge? Not imagination, but technology. 1960s, 70s, the first AI programs. The first AI programs could solve puzzles, prove math theorems, and play games. People got excited. Some even predicted that machines would become as smart as humans within 20 years. But they were wrong. Computers couldn't store enough data. They didn't have enough processing power. And AI couldn't learn on its own. The world entered a period called the AI winter. Funding stopped, researchers quit, and many said AI was impossible. But a few didn't give up. 1980s, the quiet breakthrough. Scientists discovered something called neural networks, systems inspired by the human brain. And more importantly, these networks could learn. It was slow, unreliable, and expensive, but it worked. A spark was lit again. 2000s, the data explosion. Then something happened that changed everything: the internet. Smartphones, social media. Suddenly, the world was producing more data than ever before. And AI feeds on data like a plant feeds on sunlight. More data, better learning. Better learning, smarter AI. 2010s, machines begin to see, hear, and speak. AI started recognizing faces, translating languages, driving cars, beating world champions in games humans invented. DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated the world's best Go player, a moment many call the Sputnik moment of modern AI. For the first time, humans realized machines could surpass human intelligence in certain tasks. 2020s, the age of generative AI. Then came the breakthrough everyone felt: AI that could create, write stories, make images, compose music, talk like a human. ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL-E, Claude, and dozens more. People asked, is this magic? Is this dangerous? Is this the future? But the truth is simpler. AI is not replacing humans. It's the result of humans teaching machines to learn. Every line of code, every model, every breakthrough was built by human hands and human imagination. From Alan Turing's simple question to machines that understand language and create art, AI has traveled further in 70 years than most technologies do in 300. But here's the truth most people miss. AI wasn't invented to replace humans. It was invented to extend us, to take our ideas, our creativity, our questions, and amplify them. It doesn't have dreams. It doesn't have fears. It doesn't have purpose. We do. AI is not the story of machine intelligence. It's the story of human curiosity, the desire to create something greater than ourselves. So next time you ask an AI a question, remember, you are speaking to decades of human effort, thousands of failed experiments, and one unstoppable belief: that intelligence can be shared. If you enjoyed this story, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what you think humans will teach machines next?